Still keeping your crypto on an exchange? A hardware wallet can give you more control without costing a fortune. Today, we're ranking 7 affordable options for different needs and budgets. Updated purchase links are in the description. Starting our ranking at number 7 is the Ledger Nano S Plus bundle, a practical choice for anyone who wants to move their crypto away from an exchange without paying for premium wireless features. For around $98, you get the matte black hardware wallet along with the matching Ledger Pod, which adds a useful layer of physical protection when the device is stored in a drawer, carried in a bag, or taken while traveling. The Nano S Plus keeps your private keys offline and requires transactions to be checked and approved directly on its built-in screen, helping you avoid blindly trusting whatever appears on your computer. It connects through USB-C and works with desktop computers and Android devices, while the Ledger Wallet app makes it relatively straightforward to manage a broad portfolio, including major coins, tokens, and NFTs. Its compact flash drive-style design is discreet, and because it has no battery, there's nothing to recharge or gradually wear out. That simplicity also brings its main limitation. There is no Bluetooth and no direct iPhone compatibility, so it suits people who are comfortable managing their assets from a computer or Android phone. One important setup rule is to generate the recovery phrase on the device itself and never share or store it digitally. With dependable offline security, wide asset support, and a protective case included, this bundle earns 7th place as a sensible entry point for long-term holders. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. Taking 6th place, the OneKey Pro is aimed at crypto owners who want stronger security without giving up the convenience of a modern touchscreen device. At around $282, it is one of the more expensive options in this ranking, but the extra cost brings features that can make managing a larger or more active portfolio feel much easier. Its 3.5-inch color touchscreen lets you review addresses and transaction details clearly before approving anything, reducing the chance of confirming a costly mistake on a tiny display. You can unlock it with your fingerprint, connect through USB-C or Bluetooth, and even use QR codes for air-gapped signing when you prefer to keep the wallet physically disconnected. Wireless charging is another thoughtful addition, especially for users who want fewer cables on their desk. Inside, 4 EAL6 Plus secure elements help isolate private keys and sensitive operations, while support for more than 30,000 coins and tokens makes it suitable for diversified portfolios across Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and many other networks. It works across computers and mobile devices, so it adapts well to different routines. The obvious drawback is the price, which may be difficult to justify for someone protecting a relatively small amount of crypto. Still, for serious holders who value a large screen, biometric access, flexible connectivity, and air-gap transactions, the OneKey Pro earns 6th place as a polished balance between high security and everyday usability. At number 5, the Elipal Titan 2.0 takes a very different approach to protecting your crypto. It stays completely separated from online connections. Instead of using Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or a USB data cable, transactions are signed by scanning QR codes between the wallet and the Elipal mobile app. That makes it especially appealing to long-term holders who want fewer potential pathways between their private keys and an internet-connected device. The large 4-inch touchscreen is another practical advantage, giving you enough space to review wallet addresses and transaction information without struggling with tiny buttons or abbreviated text. Its fully sealed metal body feels substantial and is designed to resist physical tampering, while the CCEAL5 Plus secure element helps protect sensitive information inside the device. Setup is relatively approachable, even for someone buying their first air-gapped wallet, and broad asset support makes it useful for managing a varied portfolio rather than just Bitcoin. The trade-off is that QR-based transactions involve a few more steps than simply connecting a cable, and the device is less pocket-friendly than compact stick-style wallets. At roughly $149, however, it lands in an attractive middle ground, more serious and reassuring than many entry-level models, but still far below some premium touchscreen alternatives. For users who prioritize isolation, clear transaction verification, and durable construction, the Elipal Titan 2.0 deserves 5th place as a secure, well-balanced option for storing meaningful crypto holdings. Coming in at number 4, the Trezor Safe 5 is a strong option for anyone who wants serious crypto protection without dealing with a clunky or overly technical device. At around $129, it combines a compact design with a bright color touchscreen, making setup, PIN entry, wallet recovery, and transaction approval much easier than on wallets that rely on tiny buttons. The screen is protected by Gorilla Glass, while haptic feedback gives you a subtle physical confirmation as you navigate menus and approve actions. More importantly, its EAL6 Plus secure element adds protection against physical attacks and helps keep access to your funds locked behind your PIN. It connects through USB-C and works with Trezor Suite, where you can manage thousands of supported coins and tokens, including popular assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Passphrase support is available for users who want an additional hidden layer of protection, although beginners should understand how it works before enabling it. The wallet is lightweight and easy to carry, but it does not offer Bluetooth or air-gapped QR transactions, so you will need a wired connection. Still, that simplicity can also be reassuring because there is no battery to charge and fewer wireless features to manage. With its intuitive touchscreen, trusted software experience, open design, and competitive price, the Trezor Safe 5 takes fourth place as one of the most approachable choices for both first-time buyers and experienced long-term holders. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. Sliding into third place is the Tangem Wallet 2-card set, a refreshingly simple choice for anyone who finds traditional hardware wallets intimidating. Instead of navigating small screens, cables, or complicated menus, you manage everything through the Tangem app and tap one of the cards against an NFC-enabled phone whenever authorization is required. That familiar contactless experience makes checking balances, receiving crypto, or approving a transaction feel quick and natural, even for a complete beginner. The private key remains protected inside an EAL6 Plus certified secure chip, while the second card acts as a physical backup. So losing the card you normally carry does not automatically mean losing access to your wallet. There is no battery to charge, no Bluetooth pairing to maintain, and no USB connector that can wear out over time. Its credit card format also fits easily inside a wallet, making Tangem especially convenient for people who travel or regularly manage crypto from their phone. Users can choose a seedless setup or create an optional recovery phrase depending on how they prefer to handle backups. The main compromise is the absence of a built-in screen, meaning transaction details must be reviewed carefully inside the mobile app before tapping the card. Still, for around $49, Tangem delivers an unusually accessible combination of portability, backup protection, and everyday convenience, earning third place as the strongest budget-friendly option for mobile-first crypto users. Taking the second spot is the Ledger Nano X, a compact hardware wallet designed for people who want strong offline protection without being tied to a desk. Its biggest advantage is Bluetooth connectivity, which lets you manage your portfolio from a compatible smartphone through the Ledger app, while USB-C is available when you prefer a wired connection. That flexibility makes it especially useful for travelers, active investors, or anyone who checks and moves crypto regularly. Your private keys remain stored inside the device's secure chip, and every transaction must be physically reviewed and approved using the built-in screen and buttons. In real use, that extra confirmation can help prevent unauthorized transfers, even if your phone or computer becomes compromised. The Nano X also supports a wide selection of coins, tokens, and blockchain applications, making it practical for users with a diversified portfolio instead of just one or two assets. Its rechargeable battery means you can use it away from a cable, although it does add one more thing to keep charged over time. The small screen is not as comfortable as a full touchscreen, but the compact design slips easily into a pocket and remains discreet. At around $99, it delivers a convincing mix of mobile convenience, broad compatibility, and established security, earning second place as a versatile option for users who want reliable protection at home and on the move. And at number 1, we have the Decent Biometric Wallet, a compelling choice for anyone who wants cold storage security without entering a PIN every time they manage their crypto. Its fingerprint sensor makes authentication feel quick and familiar, while transactions still require confirmation on the wallet itself, so convenience does not replace physical control. Private keys are created and stored offline, away from the phone that runs the companion app, and Bluetooth connectivity lets you manage assets from both Android and iPhone without carrying a cable. The built-in display is especially useful because it allows you to check addresses and transaction details directly on the trusted device before approving a transfer. It also supports thousands of coins and tokens, including popular networks such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and Cardano, making it suitable for diversified portfolios. Navigation relies on physical controls rather than a touchscreen, which may feel slightly dated at first, and the rechargeable battery means occasional charging is necessary. However, those are relatively small compromises considering the practical security experience it provides. At roughly $109, the Descent stands out by combining biometric access, mobile convenience, clear on-device verification, and broad asset support at a reasonable price. That balanced mix makes it our #1 recommendation for users who want stronger protection without turning every transaction into a complicated process.